I'm Gemma from Concrete Gems Crochet. I'm doing something a bit different today. I would like to show you what I've been working on for the past month. I have been doing lots of training the past few days, various challenges and things that have come up. And somebody mentioned on there that YouTube watchers like seeing what I've been working on, so here we go. And also I'll give you an update on my temperature shawl. So this is my temperature shawl. It's a Tunisian crochet entrelac. So basically you start in this bottom corner, and that's my first day. So each day has a color allocated to it, and then you work up like this one, like corner to corner, so similar to that, and you do a little square each day, and this is how it's growing. So I've got to the beginning of March now, and it's looking quite cool. I'm loving all the different colors, the randomness of it, and I think it's going to look really great when it's finished. It's going to be massive, but it's going to be cool. So that's that I work on every day to update it. I have also been working on my handy hook holders. So these are little hook pouches with zips, and the pattern for that is on my blog and on Etsy and Ravelry. I'll put all the links below for all the things that I'll share. So that's those. They've got a lovely cable detail across the front, if you can see it. Which is really easy to do. It looks really tricky, but it's actually easy, and it makes a nice elegant pouch. It's chunky yarn as well, so it works really quick. So I've been working on that. I've also been filming for this. It's not finished yet, but give you a little sneak. It's going to be a bag. So I made one before in this, and it's a cute like record style bag, which you can line as well. I've forgotten I lined that actually, and that has got mosaic crochet on the front for the sheep. It's this nice sheep bag for your yarn for going out. So I'm making a new version, and I'm filming the whole thing, and then the pattern's going to be released after that. I've also made, these got released today. These are my Easter baskets. They're made using super bulky yarn and with a lovely woven texture. I really love these. They're really nice for Easter egg hunts, and there's also a pattern for matching Easter eggs, which you can pop inside. You can hide them around the house. The kids can go find them, or they can play with them like play food. So they're really cool, and that pattern got released today, or both patterns. So the eggs and the baskets are separate patterns, and they got released today, which is really exciting. So go have a look at those, please. So that's cool. What else have I been working on? I've made a shawl. This needs completely writing up and everything. Ooh, can you see it? There you go, you can see it like that. So I really like the, it's really nice drapey texture, but nice and cozy as well. So that's a new design that I'm working on. And is that everything? No, it's not everything. I started working on a top. This is just the swatch for it. So this is, again, a really lovely texture, which I love what it looks like this. So I'm looking forward to that. I haven't made many garments before, so I'm excited to get that into a top. I don't know if it's going to be sleeveless or have sleeves yet. I haven't decided. But that will be fun. So that will come soon. Oh, my wedding blanket. I'll show you my wedding blanket as well. It's like, oh, it's massive. So that is my wedding blanket. It's going to come out backwards, but it says Our Wedding across it, and it's absolutely enormous. It's mosaic crochet. It's currently being checked by my tech editor, so that's not going to be ready for quite a while yet, because I think it's going to take her forever to check. But if you'd like to have a sneak and do a test of it for me, then do let me know, because that would be great. Really appreciate that one. And I've lost it. Don't know where I put them. I've been working on a plant holder pattern, which I'll show you. My goodness, I've done so much. Yeah, I've done so much. It's exciting. I'll take you off the stand and I'll go and show you my plant holder as the last thing. But anyway, I was going to go live, couldn't go live because YouTube wouldn't let me, so I've recorded this one and I'll just post it up. And I think that's it. So what do you reckon? Should I do more of what I've been crocheting in the month? Share it with you. You'll get a view through my house going backwards now to go and see the plant holder. Please don't look at the rubbish. It's a bit messy. So that was February. It was busy. Right, here we go. There's my kids' paperwork and my plant holder. What do you reckon? Plant pot cover or something. So I've made a smaller one as well, which is like a mini version to fit a smaller pot, because obviously this one's quite massive. There you go, there's my hand for reference. Quite huge. So I've made a smaller one to go on a smaller pot, and that pattern needs writing up as well. So there we go, I have been busy. That is my month. Let me know what you've been up to. Come and share what you've been crocheting. Tag me, Concrete Gems Crochet, and I will see you again soon for another video. Bye for now.